Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Next Education Career. Today we are going to solve 2025 science paper and the set is 824 cm. Let's start. So our first question is the unit of the power of a lens is. The options are meter, meter into second, per meter, meter per second. So the right answer is meters per meter. So now we move to our second question, that is image formed by a mirror is virtual effect and longer than object, then the mirror will be convex, concave, plane, both convex and concave. So the right answer is concave mirror. So our next question is the relative index of glass is 1.5. The speed of light in air is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. The speed of the light in the glass will be. The option is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. The option B is 2 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. The option C is 4.5 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. And the option D is 2.25 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. So, can you are here to tell the right answer? So, the right answer is B, 2 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Now we move forward and question is fourth. The blue color of sky is due to reflection of light, depression of light. Option C is refraction of light. Option D is scattering of light. So the right answer is scattering of the light. Now we move forward and our next question is the electrical current passed through a fixed resistor is held, then the heat produced in it become double, half, 1/4, 4 times. Can you worry to get right answer? So the right answer is 1/4. Now we move to our next part. So our next question is the magnitude of magnetic force acting on a current carrying conductor in a uniform magnetic field does not depend on. And our options are electric current, intensity of magnetic field, length of conductor, direction of electric current. So our right answer is direction of electric current. Now we move to our next question. At the time of short circuit, the electric current is the circuit becomes very low, very high, does not charge, varies constantly. So the right answer is very. So our next question is valency of atom C in C6H6 is 1, 2, 6, 4 and the right answer is C, 4. Now our next question is strong base is. So can you are seeing that options? So the right answer is A. Now we move to our 10th part. O2G is obtained on heating. So can you are seeing the options and the right answer is C. Wow, we are solving all the questions. Let's move to our question number 11. Liquid metal at ordinary temperature is Mg, Cr, Cu, Hg. So the right answer is, the right option is Hg. Now we move forward. Precipitation reaction is. Can you are seeing the option and the right answer is A. Now our 30th question is molecular formula of butanol 2 is. Can you are seeing the options and the right answer is A. Now 14th question. What are required for photosynthesis? Oh, we have also learned photosynthesis in our previous classes. So the right answer is C. So our next question is what is required for synthesis of thyroxine hormone? Chlorine, iodine, fluorine, none of these. So the right answer is iodine. Now our next question is that Mendel crossed road and dwarf planet of P. The percentage of long and the dwarf planets in first fatal generation F1 was. Can you seeing the options? And the right option is A, 100% long plants. So our next question is, which of the following is biotic component of ecosystem? So our options are green plant, air, temperature, mineral. So the right answer is green plant. Now we move forward. Gut cells are found in. Our options are lung, liver, heart, stomata. So the right answer is stomata. Now we move forward. Ozone gas present in upper surface of atmosphere protect earth from which reaction coming from sun? Ultraviolet, gamma rays, infrared X-rays. So the right answer is ultraviolet rays. So we are moving to our last question of this video, and the question is, which of the following is correctly matched? So can you are seeing the answer? And the right answer is fission, amoeba. So guys, thank you for your kind support. Please like and subscribe and comment our video. Thank you guys. Bye guys.